Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix Geometry Dash not working on iPhone iOS 17. For example, if you have recently installed Geometry Dash on your iPhone and it is not working properly or having a problem while you play Geometry Dash, so how you can fix that. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply click on general, and here what you have to do, you have to simply go to iPhone storage, and after going into iPhone storage you have to make sure that bulk of storage is available to work for Geometry Dash, which means you have free storage for Geometry Dash to work. After that, the next thing you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the Geometry Dash. So here what you have to do, you have to simply go to Geometry Dash and you have to offload the app, and after offloading the app what you have to do, you have to simply go back and close this tab, and after that what you have to do, you have to make sure that your iPhone is connected to internet and your Wi-Fi is working properly. And after that what you have to do, you have to simply restart your Wi-Fi router, and the next thing you have to do is you have to simply click on airplane mode for some second, and after that you have to turn it off again, and in this way your internet connection will be restarted. And the next thing you have to do, you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here what you have to do, you have to simply click on reset network settings, which means you have to simply restart all of your network setting, and after that you have to check again whether your problem has been solved or not. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply close all the background apps, and you have to refresh your memory. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply press and hold the power and volume up button, and you have to simply restart your iPhone, and after that you have to turn it on again, and you have to check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, then you can simply request it to the App Store, which means you have to give feedback on App Store that Geometry Dash is not working on your iPhone, so they have to solve the problem. Also, hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.